Hi everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. I've come today to do another macrame tutorial. Now it is going to be the same as the one I did before, but I've got some different thread. I wanted to get 2mm. If you're in the USA and you have Hobby Lobby, I am so jealous. I am so jealous. We don't have anything like that over here in the UK. So all I could get, without going online, was 3mm. But I think this is really good to show you a tutorial. You can actually see the stitch and the pattern. So I bought 4 colours. We've got blush, mint, lilac, and a black. Who doesn't love black? I love black. I do have a website which I will link below for you. Low cost craft supplies. I've gone ahead and cut 210 centimetres and 90 centimetres lilac and the mint green. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I share all sorts, so it's a bit of a tutorial vloggy channel. So let's get to it. So just like before, put this in half, and we're going to make a loop at the top. Now this bracelet is going to be quite thick. Can you see how thick? So we do have to do a large loop because we have to get it through at the end. So I have done, this is a 3cm loop, but again I'm using this size thread so you can see clearly the stitch. So we'll just pop that in there with a T-clip. Again with this one, we put it in half. And we're going to put that underneath this one. So the actual stitch, we take this one over here, this one goes over here, underneath, through there, and then pull. Just push that up, and that is the first stitch. Don't worry if you didn't quite catch it. This is so easy to pick up. As you go along, this does twist. Again, don't worry. So we go over, across, underneath, pull, and just push it up. You don't really want to see the colour underneath. This is just for at the end, which you'll see when I finish. You'll see when I finish what I mean. So over the top, underneath, I'll go very slowly. This is on top of the lilac. This one goes over the green, and then underneath the lilac and this one, and pull. And push up. when I first did this, it took me a couple of tries. I thought, I'm never going to get this, but you do. It is so easy. And a special shout out to Jessica Taylor. Thank you for your comments. It was lovely talking to you and your recommendations. Again, you don't need one of these boards. You can just attach it to, you can buy and go to a DIY store, buy a cork board. You can get some sellotape, stick it down to a table. I'm using this size just to actually show you the stitch. Now it is actually just starting, it's twisting now. So just keep going. And you want to, however much you want covered, so I usually go from here to here, and then underneath I will leave it for the, you'll see. So I'm going to keep going and come back to you when I've reached that length. So here is the end. I'll just take that off. Nice and twirly, but this shows you the stitch. And what you do, take that in half, and we're going to tie this side off just like that. And the same with that one. So we're going to thread this through here, and then we're going to take this and we're going to thread it through that little loop, both ends, just pull that through. Then put that one back over again. Put it on your wrist, and you've got to work out where, not just like that, you've got to be able to take it off. So just do it roughly for you to take off. And then we're going to put 4 small knots just there. So I'll do the first one. Just pull that through. What I do is I put something in. I'll be doubly sure I get the right knot. That should be, yeah, that's fine. So we've got a knot there, another one there, right, snip off the ends, snip off the ends. Then you can use a lighter, a little bit of glue on the end. And then it slides. If you were using nylon, I think nylon would be much better for the sliding. But I just wanted to show you the actual stitch. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner.